Hi everyone, Dave Mitchell from Bayview Renovations, and it's the end of week 1 of our Koetong Parade project in Mount Eliza, and things are progressing really well this week. So following the before video, hopefully you'll understand what's going on. You can see here the old doorway here that's now been framed in, and we've made our new doorway here, which is the entrance into the new laundry. So if I walk on through now, you can see all the floors up. We've braced so much stuff, and you can see here we've actually reframed everything to suit the new configuration. In this section here, there's a sliding cavity door that comes across, and there's a separate toilet that goes in that smaller room there, that 1500mm separate toilet. The door's still located there at the moment, but that'll be removed. We've removed the window from here. Actually, it'll probably be better if I go back to here to explain it. Oh, it's hard to see. I do apologise. This window here has been removed. It was a really big old window where the vanity used to be. If I can just get myself into the room. You can see there the old waste pipe there. And we framed this side of the window to suit the new window that's being delivered next week, the new timber awning window. Over on this side here, that door will be removed and there'll be another little window in there. And of course, that's to suit the new toilet configuration. So you walk through in there into the toilet. Hopefully that's easy to follow. On this side here, you can see how the room steps back and around now. So that's the old back door from the laundry. We've actually, basically, that's the old toilet point. So the toilet used to be there, and that was the toilet door. So basically, we're moving the toilet from that location inside there. There's actually an in-wall toilet and cistern to go in there. There's a little nib wall that we'll build later. And then in this side, this is now a walk-in shower. And you can see on the left-hand side, that big niche for shower bottles and so forth. It does look sort of still like it needs a little bit of work because you can see the weatherboards there and everything, but once it's all lined, it'll absolutely make sense. And then obviously what we've done here, we've pulled the joists, we've upsized the joists, and then we've created fall to a strip grate down that end of the shower. In here also, we've just made sure that all our joists are good. They're nice and strong. On this side of the room, we found that the joists were just sitting in the wall. After the house was re-stumped a while ago, it had been jacked up 35mm under the floor here. So a lot of these joists were just sitting loose. So we've fixed them all up this week. On this end, we actually replaced 1 or 2 of the joists that were no good. So we've done that as well. On this side here, you can see now this is where the new bath location is. There's a huge niche built in above the bath, and what we'll do, we'll just put timber in wherever we need to make it the correct size at a later date. But that's all done correctly, and we've also put in our backing plate here for the heated towel rails as well, and then we've back blocked where they are to be located as well. So basically where this end gets screwed into the wall will go into timber. So in here, that is pretty much everything. We found a lot of things wrong. We found things for future job where the pipe here upstairs was falling the wrong way. There's a missing ceiling joist where they've just literally cut a whole section out. It's actually running uphill, the pipe, so we're going to fix all that while we can. Downstairs, we found a lot of spaghetti in relation to copper water pipes. We've actually found a lot of problems with the sewer down in this section here. It's actually really high, so there's not much fall. Like you can see that drainage there, it actually falls backwards to where the old vanity was, and there used to be a bath over there as well, and it was all basically running the wrong way. It was falling uphill, or trying to. So on this side here, this is where the new vanity goes, and in that spot and in that spot, that's where our shaving cabinets will be recessed into the wall. And then on the other side of this wall here, this is the laundry. So if I just go through the frame here, so you can see now this is the new laundry door, and on the right hand side here, this is where the laundry cupboards will go, and then overhead cupboards across the top. So that wall there, that was really bad, so we basically reframed that entire wall just so that it was straight, plumb, etc. Right, so the other part of the job that we've done, well, the boys have done this week, I can't say I've lifted a hammer too much. We went through this hallway. So there actually used to be, where that bit of tape is and that there was actually some timber, and there was a door just here. And then further through there, that was actually a closet. If you look at the before video, you'll see what I mean. That now is the new door through to the bathroom. So that door's just been framed in. There's no door jamb or anything in there yet, but that's all good. We discovered that the floorboards are all in good condition underneath where that wall was removed, so we don't have to modify that at all. In this room here, this is the study. So basically, windows being removed, the studs were removed, that oversized beam was put in across as a lintel across where the new doors will be. So that's basically how big the door will be from here to here. It's timber sliding stacking doors that go that way, all double glazed and everything like that. So the boys have done that. We actually put underneath those double studs there's a new stump under that one, a new stump under that one. When the electrician comes, he'll move that power point over to here, and we're going to put an external power point on the other side of it. In a minute, I'll quickly run around to the outside. Where this door opens, there's going to be a timber landing outside as well. And that's about it for in this room. But you can see here, that's a 280mm LVL up there, and that's massive overkill. So the boys have done an amazing job there to get that in this week. I'll just quickly go to outside, and you can see here we've got plastic coverings on every part of the house to make sure that it's all protected correctly. So this is the back of the house where the window's been removed, so that's all good. This window was removed here as well, and as we go around here, we've removed this little step that was there, and then the major part that was done is that's where that window was removed from the study. Two new posts were, two new stumps were installed, one there, directly under the point load of that wall as required. And then we've also dug the soil and framed up ready for a new concrete pad. That'll be done next Tuesday. It's Friday afternoon now. We've got a little bit more Rio here to go in this end of it. Of course, there's a water tank to be installed in here. We've also dug the electrical trench for the new power to go to the pump. So that's 600mm deep from here to here. So that's all done as well. That's probably about it. We've unearthed a few issues with the back pergola, but we're working through that with the clients. They've been awesome to deal with over the phone and through photos and videos. So a lot's been done in the first week of this build. So next week the boys will be continuing on with carpentry. Plumbers are in, electricians are in, the concreting will be done, and yeah, just keep everything moving forward. Thanks for watching.